EA Sports. It's in the game.
I haven't eaten all day. I'm trying to push these videos out because I'm leaving out of the state on Thursday. On Thursday. And it is what? Tuesday. 6 o'clock. I'm on spring break.
Welcome back to NBA Jam on Fire Edition.
So I'm pushing these vids out as fast as I can, bro. This is going to be Thursday's video. So when you're seeing this, I will most likely be what's good, you division with you about you know fucking man. So when you see in this video, I'm most likely going to be leaving the state or out of the state. I'm going
the Dunk Champs.
I have hella family from Virginia, and we're going there.
Tonight's matchup,
but
it's the Dunk Champs versus
we still gotta beat these niggas and then beat the Grizzlies. These niggas pissing me off. I played like I told Blake Griffin while editing the video, I realized that I should do two shot blockers, two people who can block shots. Because them niggas, these niggas are literally unstoppable. Every time you get a stop, every time you stop them, they get a bullshit ass steal or something. Look! What I say? What did I say? As soon as I got the ball, I tried to press A. As soon as I got the ball, I pressed A to pass.
He's playing with him. Leaping, sends it back.
And I found out how to block shots, so I gotta jump before they go up. But I'm not even gonna get excited to get a lead against these. There's always some bullshit. Like this nigga steals the ball. This nigga, while editing the video, I realized Patterson, he has a 2 steal rating and he's trucking. Olajuwon has an 8. He's hitting fucking 3. You know what? It doesn't matter. Look, he has a 2 steal rating, bro, and he has an 8. Like I said, when you get a lead on these niggas, you can't even get the fuck. Like he has a 2 steal rating and he's fuck out of here. This game is starting to piss me off. These challenges like this, where I gotta do shit like this, it pisses me off. Like, they put the most 2 OP ass niggas on the same team. They steal everything. They do everything, bro. I'm like I can go about 30, but then if the bullshit starts. When you go up, that's when the bullshit. When you go up by 10 or more, that's when the bullshit starts. Like that's a block. Hakeem is hitting 3s, bro.
Here's the toss and slams it down.
Bro, I'm just waiting for the bullshit.
Knocks it away.
We up. Come on. What's your time?
Oop, here it is. Bring out the turkey, because I brought the stuffing. Olajuwon. I just beat you out to be valedictorian.
Down by 8.
On you.
I'm up by 8.
Here's the pass.
I'm waiting for the bullshit.
Can he do it? Now you're probably going to see him trying to shoot that one.
Straight bullshit.
Just under a minute to go here in the second. See if they can take advantage of this possession. Loop attempt.
Good the fucking ball.
I can dunk it.
Come on.
Here's the toss. With the big finish.
I was not expecting.
Dish.
I gotta remember I can shoot maybe.
Puts up the pass.
I don't have
like a bird with the flu. He's throwing it up.
Let's go.
Here's Howard. Say hello to the hand and goodbye to your shot. Leaping.
Let's go. shit.
Hooks it. Not a good pass. Looking for the open man, and he finds it.
Go!
Awfully hot in here all of a sudden.
Come on, come on, come on.
Window. Ball knocked loose. And the buzzer sounds. We have halftime.
Let's go.
The Dunk Champs up by 14. The ball is knocked loose. They keep the ball moving. Shoots. And if this ring got any friendlier, he'd have to marry it.
Of course, I love Milano.
And he's moving the ball nicely. Thank you for making my poster.
After this game, I'm checking that stat.
With the jump, D12 with the long arm of the law.
Definitely
Up and over with
checking.
the monster face jam.
All I know is they can dunk.
To Howard.
They can dunk and block.
Up
That's
high.
all I
Boom
know.
in his
Only
shakalaka.
Hakeem can still, but somehow Patterson is still getting still.
Here's a line.
Look.
Dwight Howard with the "It's not you, it's me" rejection. It's Blocktoberfest down here. He shoots from the outside. Are you
course,
kidding
he
me?
gets the
He just
putback.
cleared out and dunked that one back home.
We're up. They have a stable lead.
Here it comes. Peanut butter and jam
A
time.
very stable, sturdy lead.
Up for grabs. Whoa. Now this
Go.
house. Up he goes. And
Let's
these
go.
guys are about to burst into flames now after the second alley-oop in
Let's
a
go.
row.
Come on.
Passes it over. Oh, how good was that?
I knew he was about to try to push it. I knew he was about to try to push it.
Has a layup. And he got it.
We're good. There we go.
Elijah Wall.
Good
No
block.
stuffing here. Bryant heating up like summertime. Puts it up. Gets it off. And he's way too trigger happy. That one's off. So that's the end of the third quarter. The
go.
Dunk Champs up by 11. Look out. Hey, you forget it was Blocktoberfest? Shoots it.
Oh, he's on fire. Bullshit inbound. Bullshit inbound. Bullshit inbound.
Here's the oop. You bring the shakalaka, and I'll bring the
You
boom.
got that fire.
That's when an NBA crossover was denied. Shoots, and that one's off the mark. He'll drive it. Good aggressive defense there. Uh-oh.
Let's go.
They're heating up.
Come on.
Elijah Wan. You say alley. I say you.
Yep, I knew it. I knew he was about to try to push me.
Uh-oh.
I knew he was about to try to push me, your bitch ass.
Right by his man with the crossover. With the shaft.
Block.
You can lead a player to the rim, but you just can't make him dunk. The Dunk Champs are heating up.
Come on. Let's go.
Here's
Hell
the money
no.
ball. Misses.
There's no way I'm not
Now
getting that
shooting.
board.
Howard with good hustle gets the
Pass.
board. Swings the ball over.
Go down. Go down.
Here's the lob. And they are burning down the house.
That's
These
game.
guys are on fire.
We're up by 20. That's game.
Here's Elijah Wan, and that's
That's
a mere
game,
decision. Griffin with a big block. Puts up a brick. Makes the lucky shot.
That's game. I don't give a fuck. Game.
And he pokes that one out. Ball knocked loose. From long range.
Fuck that.
All right, that's it. Don't give him the
Y'all
ball
niggas
anymore.
suck.
Just don't pass to him.
Ronnie
Dunk
was
Champs
another
win the
shot
game.
blocker on my team. Y'all niggas done. 42 from Blake. Fuck is you talking about? Now let's move on. Let's move the fuck on. Actually, hold on.
Houston Rockets.
He has his sixth block, was blocking everything. Yeah, this nigga's stats suck. Okay, I can't see our key stats.
The Rainmakers.
But you already know what time it is. Time to not lose.
Tonight's matchup. It's the Rainmakers versus the Memphis Grizzlies. Randolph wins the tip. Great hands. From the three-point line. And he is cutting holes like Swiss cheese. Excuse me.
Good ball. Pull up.
This will be a free if it goes. Oh my. Swishes the bomb from downtown. Elo got that one. Want to try again? Two-pointer on the way. Able to get a good look there. Count it.
Bring it.
He's breaking him down. Great shot. Gaze shove. And he just got floored. Here's Larry Legend. Bring it up.
2.
Gabe firing it up. And he misses. Ray Allen with the rebound. Hold on. 1 minute remaining.
Extra lay. That filet mignon extra lay. I'm fucking with it.
Nice dribbling.
Like, I can like
easier than that. Tips it away. Lays it up. Sweet touch. Knocked out of his hand. The ball is not loose.
Pull up. From deep.
From three-point territory.
Come on.
And don't forget to tip the leprechaun next time.
Give me 3.
The rainbow. Nothing but net for 3. Pushed back. And the ball knocked out.
What flight say?
Power soul. No. Gabe with control on the board. To Randolph. No doubt about it. There's no
what
school
flight
like
say?
the old school.
Spring.
Tries to beat the buzzer. You must be joking me, fella. And we have played 1 quarter of basketball. The Rainmakers up by 18.
Well, like, well.
Finds an opening. Fires the 3.
Dennis.
Knocks it loose. Unloading for 3.
Wow.
Bring him up. And he knifes through the lane. And he lays it home.
Hold on. Can I get one? Let's cross.
From
oh, Big Green put it in her lane, Big King.
Here we go. He got his pocket picked. Allen misses from downtown. Game for 3. Oh, beautiful
No,
shot.
I hear. Is that Squid Game? Red light, green light. Fuck you talking about? Oh my goodness!
I learned this in jiu-jitsu. One poke and I can stun you. See? 1 minute left in the second quarter. Here's Allen. And
oh my goodness!
He swishes the 3.
Oh boy!
Ball knocked loose. Oh, my bad. To Gabe. This guy had his captain done for breakfast.
It's right. You got the rain. Like, I don't.
Spinning. Gets by his man. Big 3 there.
I don't lose the rain.
Gabe from down. Shut the door. Here's Allen. Won't fall for him, and he can't find the rain. With the soft touch. Chuck and smacked and dishing it out as well. Zach Randolph with 10 points.
Go for the
If
sheet.
it goes,
In your
it's a
face.
count.
Wow.
And it falls through
Yeah.
And that's the end of the first
Face
half.
time. And you answer the
The
call.
Rainmakers up by 28. 2 quarters left to play here as we begin the third. Getting fancy.
Pull up.
Larry
Let's go.
Legends getting into a rhythm. Loose ball. Lets one go. And it drops through the laces, snapping the net for 2 points. Knocks it loose. And he'll lay this one up with the soft
He
hand.
said jelly. You know what I said?
His
Cross,
change of direction
spin,
and that crossover
bang.
is ridiculous.
Oh my
The
goodness.
soft touch of the rim, good for 2. Ball is
Larry's
not
not playing
loose.
with us.
Low. Randolph with great athleticism.
Baldy, come
And
on.
that's a nice 2-point shot.
Shuttlesworth.
He's
Come
hitting
on.
his groove.
Jesus Shuttlesworth not playing with y'all niggas.
And the ball is loose.
Larry Legend.
Fires beyond the arc.
Oh.
And the three-pointer is off the mark. Strips it away. Here's Allen. And
Oh my God!
He's got to protect the ball better. The fisherman's nightmare. Nothing but net.
Come on.
Here's Allen. And he shoots the three.
Oh my God.
Loses the ball.
Corner.
Here's Allen. He is warming up.
Bro.
Gay falling in love with the three. Oh, past the hot sauce.
Gay falling in love with the
Allen.
Oh my goodness.
Three-pointer won't go. Swipes it away. Reaches
Swiper,
in, puts the ball
no
out.
swiping. Shot like she's
At the
again.
buzzer.
Ah!
And the three comes up short. And that's the end of the third quarter.
I don't know how many points we got, but all I know is I don't know who got the most points. on
For
the
the
team.
deuce.
I think it's
Play
Ray
it,
Allen.
please.
I'm
Here's
pretty sure
Gay.
it's Ray.
Misses. And he hammers that one back down.
Larry.
And like a human cyclone, he spins by his man.
Oh,
Oh, great hand poking that one away.
fuck it.
And
Oh
drops
my
through for
goodness.
two.
Come on, Baldy.
Gay from outside the arc. The downtown train gets derailed. Pass. And maybe this will get him back on track. Oh, snap. And he gets that one to go. Now Allen with rejection. Throws down the monster roof. Now that's an NBA
Waiting
crossover.
ball, pull up.
Not this time. Leaping. Boom shakalaka.
I hit those when I make them fall.
Destroys it with the spin move.
Fuck it.
And the sniper shot from Freeland is good. Decides to pass.
Pull up.
Now
In
the
your
three on
face.
the way. Looks like he forced that one off. No good. Randolph. Nails the shot.
Can we get 81?
Allen for three. No good. Oh, nice pass there. To Randolph. Look out, he's starting to warm up. And this lucky fan is shooting for the new car. The Rainmakers win the game.
Goodness.
The final score is 75-37.
Damn. Oh shit. Well, alright.
The Dunk Champs. And tonight's matchup, it's the Dunk Champs versus the Memphis
I
Grizzlies.
could have used the same team, but I'm just fuck it.
And here we go. Ball is knocked loose. Finds the open man. Blake Griffin with the great block right there. You want some of this? You bring the mashed potatoes, and I'll bring the turkey. Loses control of it. Here's the lob. The Dunk Champs are
Well, I
heating
know
up.
who to use when I don't.
Let's go, Princess. Look alive. Whoa. Talk about tonnage. That guy. Oop, here it is. Reeves with perfect timing knocks that one away. Lobs it up. Bryant Reeves with the D. Here's Randolph, and he's really starting to heat up now. Passes it up. Holla! Now bring home the bacon. Time winding down, under a minute here in the first to go. Reed, ain't happening. Griffin. Boom!
Come on.
Takes his win. Randolph, the question is why? Why would you try and shoot on me? Ask yourself that. Look out if he gets hot. He can go on a tear.
Boom, shotgun
Away by
locker.
his man.
You have enough.
Knocks it loose. Randolph launches all that shake and bake.
We out here looking like, hold on. We out here looking like Duke did it. Oh.
That one didn't find anything or anybody. Blast off! And ladies and gentlemen, the star of the show, take a bow for that dunk.
We out here looking like Duke did it to slam ball.
Oh, and who is he passing to? And the first quarter comes to an end.
Looking like Duke did it going slam ball. Come on.
To Reeves. Randolph, if you truly love your shot, let it go and it will come back to you. Here's the and these guys are heating up in a hurry with 2 alley-oops in a row. Randolph lifts up. Kaboom! Upstairs. I love it when you call me Big Papa.
Hit that. Tap my head. Come on.
Pass. Reeves, incoming. Need more extension on your dunk. Try dunk it all. Here's the Griffin with the shot block. Shakalaka. Hooked away by his man. The ball is loose. Blocked it. 1 minute remaining here in the second quarter. Lifts on. Boom, shakalaka.
Goodness.
Howard will blow me over. That was embarrassing. Rejected. Griffin taking off.
Come on.
Confiscate the
Oh
tape.
my goodness.
Reeves fires
Hell
up the
no.
three with no hesitation. And the ball is loose.
All the way.
Boom. Randolph, you go and I'll do that all night long. You feel me?
Come on.
Pass up high. Fantastic. Buzzer beater. How many balls can a ball chucker chuck if a ball chucker could chuck balls? A lot of balls.
Okay. Do say that every
Halftime.
fucking. Say
The
that
dunk
every
champs
fucking
up
time
by
I play
22.
this game.
Both teams set to go here in the second half as the ball is inbounded. Howard takes off. Randolph. Daddy's home. Look what I brought. Here's Griffin, and he gets a lucky bounce there. Randolph from short range. Can't get the roll. Here's the toss. Play him, please. Strips the ball. Griffin, what? You think you're an easy pass way? I'm the poke collector, pal, and I'll make you pay every time. Griffin starting to heat up.
Oh, I said it in the AMP video.
No way.
Yeah.
Loses it. Want a little of this?
That y'all saw yesterday.
Third quarter.
Yeah.
Reeves. And he gets it over to the open man. Once you get this guy started, look out. Oop, here it is. On cue, he puts it down. Can he do it? And these guys got to get on the same page. Reeves. Whoa.
Oh shit.
Bigger the you, the bigger the flush.
Women just 3 months.
Swipes it away. Reeves
Block.
takes off. Come on! Ball is knocked loose. Randolph jams it home. Swiped out of his hand. Reeves is pushed down. Tries to beat the buzzer, and I'm not sure who he was passing to there. And so the third quarter comes to a close. Oop attempt, and jams it in. Dishes to Randolph. And he sends headed puppy
I feel
home
like
with
watching.
his tail between its
I don't
legs.
know why, but I feel like watching.
Howard's getting all he can handle as he goes to the floor hard. Come on, now touch me, babe. 2 points, count them up. Blake Griffin with 30 points.
Wait, got 30?
And the ball comes loose. Here's the toss. Gets it over hand. You guys are going to be good buddies today. Slams it home.
My niggas blowing like Curry.
Puts up the pass. Don't come in here with that. Randall fires. He's
No way
heating
they're
up.
coming back.
And 1 minute remains on the clock. And the shot is blocked. Randall, look out. Boom, shakalaka.
They're actually coming back. They're down by 4. They actually came
Up
back.
high. Oh, it's a party
Psych,
up in
big
here.
kid, we about to go on a run. Come on, still.
Takes it on up. Oh, sweet touch.
Oh, it was a lane. Like, give me more time.
Griffin's
Fast,
knocked
fast.
out.
Don't get the ball.
Howard.
Get it back, get it back.
Here's
Took
Randall.
another
And
dumbass.
he's feeling
Took
it
another
now.
dumbass shit. All we need is one bucket.
Howard
No matter what it is.
for the deuce. And that one misses off the mark. Moving the ball around. Risky
Oh my
pass
goodness.
in
He
midair.
sold!
And the three
He
comes.
sold!
The dunk champs win the game.
He sold! He fucking sold! Oh, classic 2v3.
The Rainmakers. Tonight's matchup, it's the Rainmakers versus the Memphis Grizzlies. Memphis wins the tip. Randall, how about some aspirin? Because he just put it on your forehead. Wanted, A goes to audition for casting call. And the three-pointer won't go.
Ray.
Randall takes off. And loses
Ray.
in front of one of his patented
Come on
tricks.
now, hit
Look
your
out.
shot, bud. I'm not about to lose.
Oh,
Come on.
fancy move.
Shot, kid.
This is what it sounds
Shot,
like
Baldy.
when Nets cry.
Baldy basically said that.
Big shot.
Hold on. Oh,
And he misses the three.
I knew that one.
To Randall. Shakalaka. Oh, homie, don't play that.
Bucket.
How do you stop that? Well, you could start by playing D for starters. Whoop. Shakalaka.
Come on, we just gotta shoot their lights up, bro. Oh,
And he
pass.
releases a quick pass.
Come on, bucket.
1 minute remaining here in the first quarter.
Oh, Ray,
Watch out. Randolph.
Ray, I need you to hit your shots, bro.
Allen firing away for three. No good. He's pushed back. Finding the range below and two
Good.
is good. Lays it up. And that's an easy finish for him. Here it comes. There it is. And he knocks the ball loose. That must taste like a mud casserole. Ray Allen with the block. Takes the jumper. And he's got
How was that
stuck
not a
on the
block?
mat. Now that's good for
Seven,
two.
seven.
I didn't do nothing. Trip.
3, 2, 1 for the game. Bye!
First quarter buzzer beater is good. The Rainmakers up by 1. Butterfingers.
Spin, cross, spin, pull up,
Way
in your
outside.
face.
Misses. Rudy Gay with great timing, able to grab the board. Oh, the
Ray
defense got punished there.
fucking Allen. Hit a shot, man.
Crossover.
Cross, made him fall.
Allen
Hit
from
the shot.
deep. And the
Thank
three
you.
from three-point
Good shit,
land.
Baldy.
Swishes the rainbow three hole for 3. Left 3 is good. Ooh, right stuff. Gay
Block.
firing the Allen with the great defensive play. Gay fires the money ball. And the 3 is good. Catching nothing but net on the way down. Allen from beyond the arc. Sweet swish.
Come on, Jesus Shuttlesworth.
Just pick off your pass, yo. We have 1 minute to play here in the second quarter. Rifles it through the iron.
Cool. That's good. That's good. We're good. We're good.
I mean, no disrespect with that shove. It's business. Nothing personal. The runner. Ray Allen with good extension knocks that one away.
Pull up!
And that was a thing of beauty.
Hit his face! FaceTime and he answered the call.
Gay. Super and duper.
Already know.
You know what they say?
Got
The
me
bigger the
tripped,
shove,
man.
the bigger the love.
I'm gonna let die.
Was that absolutely necessary? Shakalaka! Say goodbye to your toxic. He hits the floor like Evel Knievel. Get out of my house! And that'll do it for the first half. We'll be back in a moment. The Rainmakers
I
up
gotta
by
hit my
2.
shots, bruh.
And he'll inbound it here to begin the third quarter. I'm so sorry, did I do that? Oh, clumsy me. Shoot-de-doop with the alley-oop!
I have to start hitting my threes now. The team should not be
for the
close.
tray. Swish!
Coke butter cheese. Come on, lock in.
Like a big bass spoon, they always bite on
Lock.
the... What? You think you're in the easy pass lane? I'm the toll collector, pal!
This team is closer than it needs to be. Coke butter cheese.
Firing the three. He is feeling it now. The runner sinks that too. A pull on the court can be scary. He's the first alert button necklace today. Randolph. Have a little fire, Scarecrow. With just under a minute to go here in the third, the offense looking to score. Picks his pocket. Knocks it loose.
Hell no.
Around from downtown. Oh, I can feel the wind off that air ball. You can try, but you just won't stop that. And maybe they should go inside next time. Gage taking down the chin and in the sternum. And now the kneecap. Lucky bounce.
Man.
Knocks it away. Ball knocked loose. Bird, Fortune fires the
Let's
three.
go.
Oh, well, that was me again, sorry. At the buzzer. And he heaves it. And he hits it to end the third quarter. What a desperation shot that was. Memphis down by 1. And he loses control of the ball.
I didn't know they got ball.
Nothing but net. Nothing but Butterfinger. The Rainbow, Larry Legend with great timing there, swats it away.
Come on, shot. Let's go!
Gonna get wet.
This game is too close
And he's gonna protect the ball
for
better.
comfort, bro.
Nice ball movement here. And this guy's like a...
That was the 2. It was the 2. I'll take it any day. Up by 4.
It's a party up in here.
We can go up by 4. Right here. I just gotta hit the shot. Pull up.
Allen firing for 3. And the ball came off his hand, kind of funny. That's short. Reaches in and puts the ball away. And we've got about a minute to go before the...
Fuck yeah! Come on.
Up for grabs.
Bill. Pull up.
Allen
And it's
firing
safe!
from downtown.
Let's go!
With the crossover. Jams it in. Careless with the ball. And he starts to find his throat.
We're out. Come on.
He just got his pocket picked.
Come on. Pull up.
Larry Legends hit the floor.
Ray.
Hit the floor like Evel Knievel. Say goodbye to your coccyx. And here's the river card. A royal flush. To the rim.
All needs a lane.
Nothing like a layup to get you going.
Woo! No three. Hell no.
Tie.
Fuck go!
The Rainmakers win the game. Final score is 52-49.
That game had me sweating, bro. With that being said, that's the end of this video. You already know we came out with the fucking dub. And with that being said, love y'all. And as always, your vibes is the best vibes. I'm out.
Bye bye! Bye bye!